Illinois and Chicago are preparing distribution plans. Meanwhile, WGN's Eric Rong is live at the Thompson Center with the latest on that. Eric.
Good morning. Pending approval by the FDA, some of the first doses of that vaccine could be going into healthcare workers' arms as early as next week. Still, it'll be several months before the mass population gets a chance to get vaccinated. Millions of vials filled with Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine are being prepared for shipment and eventual distribution, even before the FDA has approved it for emergency use. Getting the recommendation of the FDA Advisory Board is one of the last steps.
We have one task ahead of us today, and that is to discuss and vote on the emergency use authorization of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine.
The FDA usually goes along with the committee's recommendation, and the vaccine is expected to be approved as it has been in the United Kingdom and Canada. But the committee is not skipping any steps before it votes on a single question.
The question is based on the totality of scientific evidence available. Do the benefits of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine outweigh its risks for use in individuals 16 years of age and older?
Chicago is expected to initially get 23,000 doses, which will go to all 34 hospitals, with 100 to 150,000 more doses by the end of the year.
Following the delivery of that first round, we will be opening vaccination clinics for healthcare workers by appointment only in late December and into early January.
Healthcare workers will be the first to get the vaccine, followed by those in long-term healthcare facilities, followed by essential workers, which right now is a broad category. Healthcare providers, pharmacies, churches, and city colleges will be used as vaccination sites once more vaccine is available. The mayor says all Chicagoans should have an opportunity to get vaccinated in 2021. The state will get 109,000 doses to distribute throughout the state, with priority given to some areas hit hardest by COVID-19. The state is also working on a portal for people to sign up to get the vaccine. But while the end of the COVID era may be in sight, most of the population will have to wait until spring or summer to be vaccinated.
So it's incredibly important that we do everything in our power to temper the spread of this virus in the coming weeks and months. We all want as many people alive and healthy as possible when we get there.
We do expect that FDA advisory panel to take that vote sometime this afternoon. We're live at the Thompson Center. I'm Eric Rong, WGN News.